for his "I'm glad things are looking up for you" motivational greeting card. And in our sports snapshot of the day, Fuzzy Palmer lines up a birdie putt in this year's Nanook of the North Arctic Classic. Boy, I don't know. All of a sudden I'm in this really, negative mood. I mean, it's really negative. And I'll tell you, I gotta shake it or it's gonna start affecting the show. Anyway, why don't I just do this segment and I'll see if I can get over it.